AWS has been core to our success. Using AWS really allows us to deliver data to our users in a really efficient way. It's allowed us to scale. It's allowed us to reach a point where we are doing, billions of transactions a year. My name's Matthew Painter. I'm CTO of Import.io. Import.io is a data platform that allows anybody to harness the latent power of data that's on the web. We convert billions of pages into structured data every year for users, small businesses and enterprises. And our goal is to give programmatic access to all data on the web to everybody. AWS allows us to harness both the ability to scale on demand and also allows us to really simplify our operational side of the business. We use everything from automatic scaling groups through to the CDN network. And all of this really allows my team to focus on delivering good software product and not worrying about infrastructure and operational things. So I think we probably started using AWS before a lot of other companies did. And what we found from the start was that it was very usable. As a developer, I liked it. AWS allows us to save costs in many ways. It allows us to save costs by not having to employ people specifically for operational resourcing. It allows us to save costs by only buying the hardware that we require. I mean, if you look at a traditional enterprise deployment, you're having to commission actual servers. You're putting bare metal servers into data centers. AWS allows us to be more agile because we're no longer worrying about how we deploy something, how we make it highly available, what the correct software choice is. AWS gives us the components that we require to be able to then be agile in how we approach problem solving. AWS has allowed us to target specific large enterprises who often take a long time to actually reach the point where they want to do something, but then as soon as they want to do it, they want to do it yesterday. Of course, if you're looking at how you deliver this in a kind of a traditional setting, it might take a long time to go through a legal process, and it might take a long time to get everything sorted out. And sometimes this would lose you the deal because they want to have a specific date that wouldn't be achievable unless you had this kind of technology. What if AWS didn't exist? Life would be much more difficult for us. The actual business side of being a startup where you're asking people to invest in you because you want them to believe in what you're doing becomes much more difficult because suddenly not only are you asking for some money in order to grow your team and to be able to effectively purchase compute power, you're also asking for a whole huge more chunk of money for CapEx. AWS gives me the confidence that I can deliver the product that our users want.